Welcome to this tutorial on writing your first C program. Before we begin coding, it's essential to set up our development environment. To convert your code into an executable, you need to compile it first. For this tutorial, we'll use Visual Studio. If you haven't installed it yet, please do so. Now, let's write a C program that prints "Hello, world." Start by creating a file named main.c. Open this file in your preferred text editor and type in the following code. Let's break down this code line by line. The first line, #include istio.h, includes the standard input-output library, allowing us to use functions like printf. The line, int main, defines the main function, which is the entry point of any C program. Within the main function, printf, hello, world, outputs the text, hello, world, to the console. Finally, return 0, indicates that the program has executed successfully. Now, we need to compile our code. To do this, open the Developer Command Prompt for Visual Studio. You can find it by clicking the Start button and typing Developer Command Prompt for VS. Once the command prompt is open, navigate to the directory where your code is located. Use the cd command followed by the path to your directory. For example, if your code is on the desktop, you would type cdc:/users/left bracket your username/desktop. After navigating to the correct directory, compile your code by typing cl/ehsc main.c. This command compiles main.c and generates an executable file named main.exe. To run your program, type main.exe in the command prompt. You should see the output. Hello, world. Congratulations. You've successfully written, compiled, and executed your first C program.